struggling with prop firms?
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be speaking about the swing trading entry methods, the best possible methods to enter the trades. So if you are struggling with where to exactly enter from and why to enter a trade, looking for the best signals, this is going to be the best video for yourself. I'm just going to be breaking down every little thing. So also make sure you hit that subscribe, because I'm going to be posting new videos every single day. I'm going to be placing live trades as well with prop firms. So I'm just going to be covering everything, doing chart analysis, breaking everything down every single day. So make sure you hit that subscribe and so you don't miss anything out. So without wasting any time, let's just get straight into this. So I've already drawn a few examples, support resistance levels, got my examples here. But before we break into doing a deep dive into this, let's just look at the candlestick patterns that I personally use, my favorite ones. So I mean, if you already have a bit of an idea what candlestick entry patterns are, my favorite ones are the morning star, evening star, tweezer patterns, tweezer tops here, and also like the inverted hammer and shooting star. So obviously the hanging man and the bearish and bullish candles. So I'll come back to this and we'll just carry on, but let's just go deeper dive into the examples that I've already drawn. But I'll also be going back, meaning so I'm just picking out handpicking anyone, so it doesn't just look like, oh yeah, I've already just created this, handpicked these. So okay, so example one, why would I've taken an entry at this point? So if I just go back here and okay, so created resistance level here. Why? Price has already there was created a little bit of a there was one bullish candle here, so price did react here. So this little level was respected as a support, but obviously the sellers were stronger, so they pushed price down. Our price came back up to do a retest. So now obviously this resistance level is more has more value, because it's been tested in the past, it's tested once again. And I mean, you could do enter the probably trade here as well, but we want to be extra, as you can see here, the market tried to wick out the previous stops that was set above these wicks, because this one's a little bit higher than the previous ones. But the reason for entry, okay, the reason I would have entered from here, guys, so if you just break this down, keep breaking, now look at this, even on the 1 hour chart, previously I was on the 4 hour chart. What's this? Like I mentioned, okay, evening star, we have a wick rejection, then price falls, but now obviously I've created my stop here, so we break down the time frame even more. Now look, you can say you got a bearish tweezer top now, two rejection wicks. Okay, let's refine this even more on the 15-minute time frame. As price, as the bulls push price higher and higher, now there's a doji, which indicates there's between buyers and sellers, there's a little bit of a that's what the decisions are being made now. So momentum slowing down. So I could take this trade after this candle, after this tweezers formed. I'll just zoom in more for you guys. After this bearish candle closes, you don't take the trade just after this bull candle here, wick rejection. You take it after a bear candle, selling candle has closed, then you take the trade. You don't take it before that. And if I was to even refine even more on 10 minutes, I mean, the price will always just give signals. They always lays clues. Now look at this, guys, look at this. You grab this candle here, look at this. If I delete, let me see the bears. Delete that one, delete that one, and delete that one. Now look at this. You see this candle wick here, this bearish is broken the low of the previous 2 free candles, the low of the previous 2 free candles, well, even 4 candles, which shows now there's a shift in selling, in buying pressure. Now there's selling pressure. So now markets, and that's when it just tumble down. And if you lose the trade, so what? You lose one trade for the day, you only place one trade for the day, and you walk away, win or lose, it does not matter. So now we know why we would have entered that trade. We carry on going, carry on going, carry on going. Now we don't take the trade, a buy signal from here. Why? Because it's the first time support was created. We want to wait for price to at least come back down and retest. Now if you would have retested this, you would got markets obviously trying to hit the stop, so part of the game. It is what it is. Now why don't we take a sell from here? Maybe you could have, because you know in the past, but if we go on the 4-hour time frame for swing trading, yeah, there's not really a, you know, maybe you could have, but maybe okay then, but it depends as well, like after how many, you know, what session this is. I would have taken this, you know, this for me is because the 1, 2, 3 is it has been respected 3 times in the past. How many times has this been respected? Okay, you know why? Okay, with this one, look, you can say, oh, you got respected here with this wick rejections, but then look, price just kept breaking through, then breaking up, then breaking down. So this is a weak area. This is strong. Price came up, came back down, came back up, came back down, came back up. Now there's a chance price always repeats itself, so there's a chance it'll do the same. So when it comes back up, it just tumbled. Now okay, where would I enter from? Let's break this one down, and you can watch this video back, guys. Practice makes perfect. Okay, straight away I'm on the 1-hour time frame. So what do? Look at this tweezer, if you want to call this a tweezer as well, but it's there's no wick at the bottom, so it's a strong selling candle, but that's not where I want to enter from. You know, it's not the best, because look at the size of this bull candle here, look at the size of this sell candle, but look at this selling candle here. The sellers are stronger because this is bigger than the previous bull candle. The bear candle is bigger, so you have to be patient as well. Don't just rush into trades. Now look, evening star, you know, look at this, a bull candle up, a little bear candle, and then this bear candle here closes. And if I go back to which one was it, evening star here. But there's different types of evening stars, you know. This one's got a doji, this one hasn't got a doji, but it's still the same, pretty much similar thing. There's different strengths obviously, but this one is a good signal. If I break it down even more, look at this. Do you remember this pattern here? If I do just one moment, look at this selling signal here. So one selling candle, one bull candle, one selling candle here. So this would be the similar, it's almost similar to this one, or this one if you want to call it, you know, where you get a selling candle, a little bit of an upshift and then back down. So if you come back, look, selling candle, little bit of an upshift here and then back down. So I mean, you can just keep breaking. That's why you look. And again, look at this. Now we've got 2 evening stars, one here and one here. So one here and one here, that's 2 evening stars. You take the trade, boom. How much does that give you? It'll give us a 1 to 8. This one would have been a 1 to 12. Can you imagine trading like this with a prop firm? So if we keep going, okay, again, why would I have entered from here? Because price was respected in the past once, twice, 3 times. If it's done it, you know, okay, actually 1 rejection, 2 second rejection, 3rd rejection. If it's done it in the past, high chance he'll do it again. Now look, a bullish tweezer, another bullish tweezer, you know, with this one longer wicket rejections. We break it down. Let's break it down even more. Look, selling signal, you know, this long candle here, selling candle, bear candle, but then this bull candle here has no wick at the top, indicating a strong bullish candle. Rejection at the bottom, and price just shoots up again. Now we've got a morning star, this one here, morning star, and again morning star. That's 3 morning stars in one place, guys, indicating strong buy signal. And it's not about where this, you know, these patterns can happen over here or over here. They're happening in our key area where price was happening at a support level. I remember you take 1 trade, so if you lose the trade you come back the next day. Again on a small time frame, another morning star, another tweezer pattern, and another, you know, bullish a tweezer pattern. So again, like I mentioned, favorite patterns, evening stars, and, you know, tweezer patterns. I did delete one of these here, just one moment, just put that back. Okay, price keeps going, price keeps going. Okay, if I just pause this example, okay, in the past I did take this trade, right, because this did not get respected, kept breaking through, but breaking through, so that's why I wouldn't take this trade. This trade I would take. Why? Because it's been respected once, twice, 3 times. This time I would take the trade. Even if you entered from here, still be a winning trade. So let's break it down. Example 4. I have to break this down even more, because okay, this is just a clear, you know, price just came up. So this would be totally up to you. I mean, this you have to be super quick about it. But even if you was to, you know, let's just say if you did an impulse entry, you still win, because price is respected if, you know, 3-4 times in the past. But if you even avoided the trade, happy days, because you just won about, you know, 12% from here gained, 12% from here gained in profit. Actually no, not 12%, if it's 11% profit gained from here, 11%, 5%, so that's altogether 16, 28% gain. Win or lose this trade. If you win, happy days. If you lose the trade, which, you know, which you can't really, because once the price comes, you take the trade. And so it's, as you can see, there's tweezer patterns, they make a big difference. I just want to keep the video short, you know, not too long. So again, my favorite patterns are morning stars, evening stars, tweezer tops, tweezer bottoms. These are the patterns you gotta watch out for. Obviously, you know, the common patterns, you just keep going back on the charts. Practice makes perfect. And okay, this is the how I would take, you know, first you identify candlestick pattern on the chart. Then obviously you can use indicators as well to help you, the moving averages, and then you place the order just above or below the pattern, set a stop loss, and then step 5, take profit based on your pattern size or analysis. So that's it, guys. If you found this video helpful, you know, hit that subscribe, and yeah, see you next time. I'm out.